Hey friends, welcome in, welcome back. Welcome to Revamp and Radiate with me, Sarah B, your beauty bestie. Today I have to get ready for dance and I want to play with this Tom Ford quad. So I thought it would be fun. This is the new Tom Ford in Evening Attire, 27 Evening Attire. I've had this for a little bit, but I've never used it on camera, so today I want to use it. I'm still in my Sephora Favorites bag. I do need to do a little bag reset, but I'm enjoying this bag, so it's been kind of fun. But also, with full disclosure, I've been using a lot of different like foundations because I'm just kind of testing them out and like seeing what I like from Sephora. Like, for example, just now I put on the YSL, this one here, and I had to wash it off because it was pilling on me. But I do think it was because I was not properly skin prepped. So we are rectifying that. So I washed my face, started over. We just put on the Juice Boost. Now I'm going to use the Pat McGrath instead. I think this one will work nicely. This is the Sublime Finish Foundation in the shade Light Medium 10. So let's go. I was just watching in preparation for dance tonight. I was just watching some of my videos, our dance videos. They record them and we're supposed to watch and like practice and learn the routine. I'm so bad at it. I don't know what I am thinking, how I'm gonna get up and do this, but I just have to really like focus in on like really watching my videos and practicing. That's what I gotta do, because I am like, when I go there, I'm like a deer in the headlights. I don't know what I'm doing next to next. And then by the end of each class, I feel like I finally just caught up. But then I'm like, oh my gosh, I just feel so behind. I mean, some of those people in my class are really good. They know them, they watch the videos, they know the routines. I'm like, I don't have time to watch a video. I'm too busy making makeup videos. So anyway, and right now I have to get ready for, this is beautiful. This is a nice foundation. So right now I have to, I have to hurry up and get ready. I did not put makeup on today because I just wasn't, I don't know, it was a weird day for me today. I got a lot of things done, which I love that I did. Ran a couple errands, got some packages sent out, cleaned up around the house. Feels good. Like I got a nice reset, which is always a good time. Okay, we're gonna use the Urban Decay Eye Primer. I thought I had the MAC in here, but I don't. I don't think I pulled it out because I said I don't suggest MAC for the sale. But MAC is 30% off now on their website, just so you know. It's like, I mean, there's a code. I think it's like Spring 30 or something. Or Spring Reset 30. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen here. Hopefully I'll remember. I'll look it up and put it there. So I just have to hurry up and get ready for dance. That's what we're doing. I can't get enough of this ABH. And every time I pick it up and use it, I say to myself, I love this stuff. I don't mind going around without makeup. Like I do often, right? Like today I was running around town, like very little makeup on. Today I didn't even put any foundation. I just put on concealer, which is totally fine. Like whatever. I just had to go to the grocery store and the post office and another stop. I don't even know. Anyway, pick up the kids and stuff. So I don't mind, but like when I, by the time the day ends, I'm like, oh, you didn't even put makeup on today? I'm like, I feel like I look really tired. We're going in with the Tom Ford. Are you ready? You got your water? You got your soccer ball? Zeus has dance tonight and then he's got to go to soccer. I always can't stand when he's got to overlap like that. But it's only for this week and then next week because I don't know, for whatever reason they picked a different week, a different day for their practice. But today is the first day of his of the local soccer club season, which I'm excited about because I love our little soccer club. and it's so fun. It's here in town. It's like outdoor park. It's really nice, and I really love all the parents, and it's just like, I don't know, we go Saturday mornings, and it's just like so nice for the games. And anyway, so I am excited for that to be starting up. So today's the start of that. And then starting tomorrow, I really got to get my butt in gear with this yearbook. So I basically produced the whole yearbook, and I got to get it done. And I barely got a few pages in, and if I don't get this yearbook done, it's like a big fail on my part. Like, it's the yearbook, you know? So pray for me that I will get it done. I'll get it done tomorrow. I'll put a flyer together for orders. So anyway, yeah. So I got to get the yearbook done. So that's typically, because I'm such a procrastinator about things, that's typically late nights. I'm hoping this year, this is like my 3rd or 4th yearbook now, that it'll be way easier for me. It'll get done. I always get it done. It always comes together. It'll be fine. I'm not going to stress my life. No, I'm not. Westman Atelier Bubble Pink. That was this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Concealer, by the way. So yeah, I gotta get all that done, and then we gotta go. So I'm late for dance. Actually, I'm late for Zeus's dance. I have plenty of time. This is that new stuff I've been trying. This is like the 2nd time I'm using it. The new Lastin. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a treatment. It doesn't really have any hold or anything. It's just literally a serum. It's supposed to help you have thicker eyebrows, so we'll see. All right, we'll see how that goes. That looks really pretty. I'm into that. Yay! Let's do our eyes. I'm going to go in with this shade here. We're just going to go for it because we don't have a lot of time. We're just going to tap and get some smoke on that eye. I should zoom you in, but I don't really have much time. I'll try to like zoom in when I edit the video. I'm like running out of time here. What time is it? Time check. I got like 15 minutes. I could do this in 15 minutes. What do you think? You think I can? I think I can. Pull it together. All right. So then I'm going to take this shade here. Same brush. This won't be my best work, but we'll be fine. It's really nice. It's not too bad, actually. Let's just take a little pencil brush like this. We're going to take this deep brown shade. And we're just going to, ooh, a little bit too much. Okay. That's more than I wanted. But that's okay. We can fix it. But what I did here, I'm going to do here. And we will just try to fix it. That's it. That's all we can do. When in doubt, blend it out, which is I'm going to look. I gave myself 2 black eyes. Good one, Missy. Good one. Let's see. There. I kind of fixed it. All right, and then I'm going to go in with my sparkle. I'm just going to do that. That's really pretty. Yes, Maddie?
Are you filming?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to leave it there. I think that's really nice. I've been using this shade here, a Waterfall, in the Sephora liner. And I just kind of like it for a little pizzazz. Just lightly on the lash line. I kind of overdid it just a bit, but that's okay. I'm going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to clean up my waterline. Ooh, and in my waterline, I'm going to go in with my Sephora Coconut. It needs to be sharpened, or I'm going to poke my eye out. Sephora Coconut. We're going in with Black Honey from Clinique. And we are just going to quickly do this. Our waterline. Or tight line. That's what it is. I always say waterline. You should say tight line. Tight line with Clinique. And then I'm going to just take the same shade in the Clinique and kind of color on the outside. like that. I'm going to take a little smudger brush. Pretty. Good enough is good enough. All right, let me do my eyelashes. I cleaned out all my mascaras because I felt strongly that it was time. I had a bunch. I'm like, I feel like these are getting really old. So I pulled out. So you know what? Actually, today I'm going to pull out a new one. All Boys Hip Hop. I'm going to pull out a new mascara today. This is actually, I'm going to declutter this. I think this one's pretty old too. I'm going to use this one. This is the Hourglass Unlocked Mascara in the shade Espresso. And I was watching Sophia Sees Beauty, and she says this is one of her favorites from Sephora. And I said, I think I have that. And I did. I have it in my backup. So I want to use it. So I said, I'm going to clean out all my mascaras. I'm not buying any new ones because I have a whole stash of backups. And I'm going to use them. It's pretty. Oh, I like that. What does this do? I think this is lengthening. It doesn't look like it's filling in. Instant Extensions. This is a tubing mascara, which I typically don't go for tubing mascaras. I don't have anything against them. I like it for Maddie because they're so easy to clean, to wash off. But I never a lot of people seek out tubing mascaras. I don't typically do that. Yeah, this is pretty. It's not volumizing. I typically like to have a little more volume. A little clumpiness right here, but okay. That's really pretty. I'm gonna use this Rhode because I think I want to declutter these. I just don't use them. I have 3 of them. I just want to see how I feel about them. I do like this color though. That's really pretty. I just hate the packaging. And I don't want something I don't like. You know what else I want to pull out? I want to pull out my Chanel Cream to Powders blushes, but I haven't used them in a long time. And I say to myself, why haven't I used them? I like them. I think I have 4 of the 5 shades. Pretty. Oh, that's nice. What shade was that? See, I do like this. That's really nice and natural and dewy. What shade was this? This is the shade Freckle. Oh, I like that. Cool. And you know what? Let's layer some shades up. This is the Ilia in Fine Romance. Let's add that on top. Just playing around because we have all the time in the world, don't we? This is what I do. I just like to play with all the stuff I have, and then I'm like, I'm out of time. And I'm always rushing around. I do feel like we need to set this with a powder blush. I have the Laura Mercier blush here. Let's use it. And this is the shade Negroni. We're just setting that. All right. Let's take our bronzer. I love this shade because I feel like it could be as a bronzer too. When you mix it with this bronzer. The kids are screaming downstairs. Gotta go. I'm always in this rush. And I don't want to give you anxiety because I give myself anxiety. You're going with the ABH. Do I need glitter? Okay. This is one of my favorite Backstage palettes. This is nice. I feel like this will match really pretty. This is the shade Peachy Nude. And I'm going to just take this sparkly shade. People don't like these because they're sparkly. I really like these sparkly shades. Especially because it's one shade and then the rest are not. I don't know. I'm going to go in with my same brush into the 3. Just kind of top that. I'm going to go in with this Tati highlighter brush, and I'm just going to go into this peachier shade. And do that, yeah. I like that. All right, let's go on with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is one of my favorite setting sprays. I like that a lot. Okay, I feel like I need a bold lip. This is the Viola FR Whipped. Let's see. This could be pretty. This is the, oh yeah. Okay, this is the Viola FR, the Moussey Whipped one, the matte one. I like to kind of do that and then go in with my finger and just like spread it out. And this is in the Fume, what's it called? Syrah Fume. Yeah. I love these. I took one of the lip nectars out of my cart, so I'm only going to get one. I was like, you don't need to be excessive. I kind of love the lane I'm in right now. Oh, I love that. I love that. I feel like that came together really good. And I do need to just powder my T-zone a little bit. What do I have? I love this powder. I used to use this every day. I kind of stopped using it. I'm going to go in with the one size powder. And I use the shade Light. I'm just going to try to mattify and blur a little bit the center of my face. Kind of. See what that does? Oh, I love this stuff. This is like magic on your face. I highly recommend this powder. I don't think we talked about it recently in all of my Sephora stuff. This is one I would definitely get. Did I buy this one at the last sale? I think I did. See how my lips look blurred? Pretty. Okay, there's a look. Gotta go to dance. Thanks so much for hanging out while I got ready. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're getting in the Sephora sale or what you got if you've already ordered. Yes, this Tom Ford eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. It's like a nice neutral. It's not too much. I feel like you saw me quickly throw it on without feeling like I went overboard, because sometimes if colors are too intense, it's easy to go quickly overboard, but I think it came out great. I love the look. So I gotta go. I gotta get ready for dance. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.